organizations deal in multiple products or provide a range of different services. They operate globally, have operations in various countries across the globe. For this, they need to register with every country or state of operations. This forces companies to create a diverse array of subsidiaries, legal entities, organizations, and accounting processes. Tax considerations also impact how businesses construct these complex legal structures. Internally, these companies employ a large number of people and create complex matrix relationships. They need to define various divisions, departments, functions, cost centers, etc. to manage their operations effectively. These complexities create the need for advanced operational and supporting business processes. This leads to highly diverse and complex organizational structures. To work in these companies and to manage your career, every professional needs to know about organizational structures. Professionals need this fundamental understanding before they can thrive in the corporate world. For a business to define its operational metrics and drive business decisions, understanding its various business segments including legal and operational structures is key. This short course provides what professionals need to know about organization structures, various legal and management entities, and how to use them for regulatory and management reporting. Students need this fundamental understanding before they can drive organizational change and digital transformations in their businesses for gaining competitive advantage and operational efficiencies. Modern business organizations run multiple products and service lines, operate globally, leverage a large number of registered legal entities, and operate through complex matrix relationships. To stay competitive in the current global business environment, they must often develop highly diverse and complex organizational structures that cross international borders. These complexities create the need for advanced operational and supporting business processes to drive organization-wide effectiveness, efficiency, and achieve business objectives. This forces companies to create a diverse array of subsidiaries, legal entities, organizations, and accounting processes to ensure a smooth and profitable business flow. Tax considerations also impact how businesses construct these complex legal structures. A multitude of these legal and operational structures clubbed with accounting and reporting needs give rise to many reporting dimensions at which the organization may want to track. A dimension reflects these attributes of a business, such as legal structure, management structure, departments, and projects. Dimensions are used to help capture and analyze underlying data, and when used with reporting provides an effective tool to break down key components of the business to help make better business decisions. You will learn terms, concepts, and steps that can give you more comfort and confidence to initiate and participate in meaningful organizational change and digital transformation. You will also understand how the future of work is transforming our workforce, and the digital workplace, and how it will impact future organizational structures. In this course, you will describe organization structure and the broader definition of organization design. Identify and understand various types of legal structures. Describe some standard forms of organizational structures. Understand the concept of organizational and reporting hierarchies. Outline how you might go about defining your chart of accounts, reporting needs, and meet various compliance needs. Put yourself in a management seminar on the foundations of organization design, and learn what managers in top-performing companies have learned and applied. Enhance leadership and business skills for immediate impact. Practice everyday leadership, manage people, learn and apply concepts and techniques to effectively manage organizations through organizational design, and formulate and implement the strategy.